Do you want to know something I love? Beautiful handbags. Do you want to know something I love even more? Beautiful handbags on a great sale. Hey everyone, I'm Allee-Sutton. If this is your first time here, welcome, or if you are one of our older friends, welcome back. Either way, I am so glad you are here. Now, I have done a full haul from Verano Hill on my channel before. You guys can go check that out. I share a little bit more about the brand there. I'm gonna have links to everything in the description box down below. I don't make a commission or anything like that, but if I also have a discount code, that's where it will be. I got these bags sent to me for free, but all opinions are my own and honest. But if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do my level best to get back to you. Today we are going to be looking at these 4 handbags from Verano Hill. Now they are having a New Year sale where you can buy 1 handbag, get 1 free. I got 4. Let's review them together. So first up we have the Betty Everyday Medium Tote Bag in the color black. If I picked a bag that you love but you don't like the color, click on the links in the description box. These come in various options. The thing I really love about this bag is how it manages to be both polished and practical. It has this timeless silhouette that looks so elevated, but also it's the perfect size to carry all of your essentials. It even fits a 13-inch laptop without looking too big or too bulky. The interior has several well-structured compartments, so all of your things are going to stay organized, and it clasps at the top with a central magnetized clasp that's kind of hidden to keep things safe inside your bag. It's well-structured, so it stands upright on its own, which I always think is nice and convenient when you're out and about, and it's made with a vegan leather that has a beautiful grain and a nice kind of sheen almost. And while I love the sturdy small handle for a more dressy look, it does also come with a longer shoulder strap for a more casual and easy carry. I know that I will get so much use out of this bag. I want to show you guys this next to me so you get a sense of the scale of it. This is a really decently sized handbag, obviously timeless, classic looking. I really love it with just the short handle, and again up close the gold hardware is so beautiful. This one has a really high polish finish on it. I'm gonna try to test and see how well this keeps things in the bag. Right now I just put like the dust cloth in there. I always prefer a zipper, so that's kind of my one little nitpicky thing, is like I just prefer to have a zipper on the top of my handbag just because it feels safer and more secure. But I think this is so beautiful. It's a great size. I think we all know what this is supposed to look like. I'll let you guys fill in the blanks on that. But beautiful, timeless, classic, feels nice, looks quality, seriously impressed, and is a style that has stood the test of time. Next, we have the Mariana handbag in burgundy. I was really drawn to this color first. It's a deep, rich kind of color, and I thought it would go well with so many pieces in my wardrobe, or even serve to add a chic pop of color when I needed one. I really like these sleek exterior lines, the top flap, and the detailed hardware that all work together to remind me of something kind of vintage and classic, like something an old movie star would carry. It's more compact than the Betty, but it still is super spacious, and it's going to fit your phone, wallet, your keys, and a few more everyday essentials. It's structured enough to stand up on its own, and it does have bottom studs in that same gold brushed hardware to protect the bottom of the bag. This one also does come with a longer strap if you want to take this crossbody. I love the clasp on this purse. It opens with its own special little trick that I just think is so timeless. And then inside, once you open that flap, there is an interior zipper that protects the inside. Once you get that open, inside you're going to find one zippered internal pouch and one open one for some good organization. It even actually has an external side zipper on the back side for items that you need to access quickly but also still keep protected. Here is the Mariana. I wore black today so you guys could kind of get an idea of the color a little bit better by having a comparison. It's a gorgeous red. It's not quite wine, but it's obviously not a really bold red. I think it's a perfect in between. It has some kind of bluish undertones to the red, which I love. Like I said, I think this is so fun, the little clasp. And I'm so excited about the buy one, get one sale, because their whole thing as a brand is that this is supposed to be affordable luxury, and the prices are already really great. And then when you throw a buy one, get one on top of that, I mean, it doesn't really get much better, in my opinion. I think this is a great time to do some early shopping for the people you love this year. Get one for yourself and save one for them. You know what I mean? Again, I love the little top handle. Let me see. I'll try to back the camera up so you guys can see what this looks like crossbody. Here we are. So you can see it has plenty of length. Here it is as a true crossbody. I know so many of you all are travelers, avid travelers, and are always looking for a great crossbody. So I love purses like this, especially, that are dressy enough to go out with you when you go to dinner on a trip with just the short handle, but you can also carry around during the day and it's really secure. That's what I'm saying. Like if you are out and about, you don't have to worry about this one because the interior zipper, the flap, the clasp, it feels extra secure, but it still looks cute crossbody and then really elevated dressy at night. One thing I want to say, and this is just me kind of being nitpicky, whenever I was going to compete at Miss USA, I had a stylist tell me, if I can see your cell phone in your hand, it destroys one of the looks I styled for you. Never go to an event where you're going to be photographed or on a red carpet and let me see you with a cell phone in your hand. And I've always thought about that, and recently I saw this gorgeous girl who's a big Instagram influencer, and she was at a red carpet wearing a designer gown, and she had a little tiny handbag, and then in her hand with the handbag on top of it, I could see her phone and like a lip gloss. And I thought about that stylist and I was like, wow, I can totally see what she means here. So something like this, I don't think this is like a red carpet bag, but you know what I mean? It's nice to have something like this that will actually hold everything so that if you do want to get cute pics, you're not holding a bunch of things that are going to ruin the look. I don't know. That's just a me thing.
This is the Aurora shoulder bag in the color brown. What caught my eye about this bag was the interesting and almost kind of architectural shape to it. Most of my tote bags are kind of slouchy and casual, and I really liked how the brown genuine leather and interesting structure offered me the chance to get more formal with a tote. It has seamless stitching and sturdy double handles that easily slip over your shoulder for a durable and easy carry. I like how the lines of the straps are worked into the design of the bag and just really work to add a lot of interest. Inside, there's this cool removable zippered pouch, which I thought was so smart, protective, and handy. At the top of the bag, there is a single traditional kind of clasp. This totally reminds me of a bag that my mom would have carried when I was growing up because it's chic, but also would accommodate all of the things that a mom needs on a day-to-day basis.
Here is this gorgeous tote. I just thought that the shape, style, and everything was so beautiful, and this could fit so much. Now, admittedly, I'm a little bit of a bag lady. I'm not somebody who travels light at all. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I carry a backpack with me everywhere I go every day because I always have my computer, a hard drive, a camera, the things I need with me for work, but carrying a backpack obviously kind of makes me look a little like a doofus probably. And so I'm gonna try to make myself get a little bit more dressed up this year and carry something like this, a tote bag that looks elevated and elegant but still has the space realistically for all of my stuff. Let's just see, because I've got my laptop handy here. Let's see how easy this fits this. And they really, in the description, talked about how durable these handles are so that you can load the bag up with plenty of stuff. Oh, easy. There's my MacBook Air in there, and look how much space I still have. Love the removable pocket. Love that it clasps. Let's test this. Oh yeah, still clasps with my MacBook in there, so that's nice. This bag lady just got an upgrade.
And last but certainly not least, we have the Grace shoulder bag in the color caramel. I've needed a great neutral bag for winter, and this one stopped me in my tracks. It was the shape, the style, and the structure of this bag. It just screams classic and timeless in a way that I think will make this bag trend resistant and part of my wardrobe for years to come. I also found the texture so beautiful and was thrilled to find out it's made of suede and genuine leather. I loved the option to carry it with a shorter or longer strap so I can dress it up or down. Love the subtle gold hardware. And then the opening mechanism of this bag is also super cool. So I love the trick of opening the clasp and then flipping up this magnetized flap. And then once you get it open, you can easily see everything in the bag all at once. It's lined with a nice genuine leather, which will help keep the inside clean. And it does have an interior pocket to help with organization.
I was actually surprised when I saw this in person. It actually holds so much more than I thought. For comparison, the Betty, almost the exact same size. So this is a decent sized bag. It's beautiful, beautiful. All of these, they just feel so quality in person. I've been so impressed by this brand. I love the suede, and on the back we have some leather here. Love the detail of the hardware on the back. Love the shorter top handle. This is what it looks like with the top handle. And then this has the extended strap. as well. Here's this both ways. Again, this would be a really great option for travel, day to night, dressy to casual. I think this is gorgeous and timeless. Which one of these was you guys' favorite? I'm always dying to know what you guys like the most. Which would you pick? Or have you found something else on their website that you think is amazing that I should try to get in the future? I love you guys so, so much. I am just happy thinking about by the time I'm watching this that we'll all be chatting together. So that puts so much joy in my heart. Hello to my live chat crew. Hello to all of our friends here on YouTube. Let me know what questions you have. I love you and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.